Hey y'all, it's Kiya. I'm back again. I know it's been a while, but hey, I'm back. I contacted Michelle from My Own Identity and asked her to do a collab with me because while I was away, I fell in love with a new kitchen gadget, my Instant Pot. It has definitely saved my life in a sense of being a busy mom, preparing a fast, frugal meal on a budget, and I've come up with a lot of different meals that I can prepare for my family, and I wanted to share it with you. After you watch this video, if you're not already following Michelle, be sure to click on the link and go to her channel and watch what she prepared in her Instant Pot for her family. And it's definitely a frugal, budget-friendly meal. So today I'm going to prepare chili mac. It's that time of year where I love soups, I love chili, and basically it's just like chili, but you add macaroni, elbow macaroni. So if you'd like to watch how to make this, keep watching. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is set your Instant Pot on saute mode. Mine is already hot because I cut it on before I started filming, and I am ready to add the ingredients. All the measurements will be in the description box and also printed on the screen. I'm going to use about a tablespoon of olive oil, and then I'm going to add my diced onions. And I know I didn't say it before, but I guess I should go over all of the ingredients that you'll need for this dish. So of course, olive oil, diced onions, 2 cans of kidney beans, a box of elbow macaroni, a 28-ounce crushed can of crushed tomatoes, and 4 cups of chicken broth. Or you can just use water, but I like using chicken broth. And then chili powder, oregano, cumin, garlic, salt, pepper, and 1 pound of ground meat of your choice. I'm using ground turkey. So back in the pot, gonna make sure you stir around the onion so it's nice and translucent. I love the smell of onions cooking. Don't you, babe? Okay, now I'm going to put in 1 pound of ground turkey meat. Got this on sale, of course. And most of the ingredients that I'm using is stuff that I already had. You don't really have to, like a lot of this stuff is staple items that you should already have in your pantry and seasoning cabinet. Got little onions trying to pop out, trying to leave out of my little pot. So basically you're gonna just cook this meat up. Pink, so we're just about done cooking the meat. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the saute feature. Do the beans. Macaroni. Crushed tomatoes. Chili powder. Oregano, cumin, garlic, and I know some people would probably put their garlic in with their onions, but if you cook garlic too long, it will get bitter and it will be disgusting. So that's why I put mine in when I do. Salt, pepper, and then 4 cups of chicken broth. And I use bouillon cubes in the water, just using the water a little bit. So that's still chicken broth. What you're gonna do is stir everything together. Cook like so. Yeah. Got all the seasonings off the sides. And this is what it should look like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pop the top on. Oops, backwards. Make sure my seal is closed by turning it to that. And I'm gonna heat manual pressure on 4 minutes. It's gonna take some time for your pressure cooker to come to pressure, but after it reaches the pressure that it needs, this thing will pop up and the countdown will start. It'll start counting down from 4 minutes. So all you have to do is just wait. It's ready. So all you have to do is go ahead and release the pressure. We're gonna do a quick release by doing that, but be careful because this steam is very, very hot. And as you notice, it will automatically go into the keep warm mode, so you don't have to turn anything off. And I wanted to mention, it probably took my pot around 10 minutes to come to pressure before it started counting down. All right, the rod dropped, so that means it's time to open it. But make sure you open the top away from you because all the steam will go in your face. And I'm just gonna give this a quick stir. Looks pretty good. Smells good too. Okay, let me get my taste tester over here. See y'all? Look, noodles cooked to perfection. All right, I don't know about you guys, but I like to use different kind of toppings on my chili mac. Lamar, he opted for jalapeños, sour cream, cheese, and he eats chili with tortilla chips. So go ahead, Lamar.
Cheese kind of melts on there. What?
It's real good. It's hot.
Honestly, yes.
All right, y'all, so that's it. Chili mac, quick and easy. And as you let it sit a while, the sauce will start to thicken up. So if that's your preference, then hey. I just would like to thank Michelle again for collabing with me. Don't forget to check out her video and go to her channel. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for watching, and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. Oh, and if you have any suggestions or on recipes that you would want me to try in the Instant Pot, send them to me. All right, talk to you later. Bye. Say bye, babe.
Eating. Hungry.